Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the peaceful, historical San Javier. This is a municipality that is located in the region of Murcia, and it's just a 15-minute drive away from where we'll be showing you the newly built construction project today. I'm overlooking this splendid, very peaceful beach in Santiago de la Riviera, and the properties themselves are semi-detached villas. They are on a plot of 210 square meters, going up to 220 square meters, and the actual house itself is 100 square meters. As a single-story home, they offer 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So, whilst we enjoy this peace, tranquility in this gorgeous location, let's start the video. Coming in through the front entrance, coming through the pedestrian entrance, I'm going to show you the front of the property and also some more of the architectural design and the features that they have. So this is the pedestrian walkway pathway that leads you directly to where you would park your vehicle upon entry. You would pass through your electric gates and park very comfortably here. I like the fact that you also have installation for a car charging port if you do drive an electric vehicle, and that you also do have a great storage cupboard that is perfect for storing things like skateboard, scooters, bicycles, etc. So at the front of the property you do also have a sizable porch and terrace, which is approximately 35 square meters, and then it goes up your porcelain stone stairwell. What I like about the home is that they've thought about the functionality of it, and so included with the home you have a separate door that leads to a very small and very cutely decorated laundry room. Here you have your boiler, but you also would have a space for your washing machine and or tumble dryer. And then you also have another door. This is an extra that comes with the home should you want it, which is your own little bathroom slash powder room. The powder room is fantastic in the sense that if you are using the outdoor living spaces, you or your guests, you don't have to go inside all the time to use the bathroom. And then we carry along the pathway, and as you can see here, this is the stairwell that leads to the solarium. Hello. So as I come in through the front door entrance, I am met with a very light, modern and contemporary interior design. Right here at the entrance there is the video intercom system here, and also switches for your shutters as well. But then it immediately comes into your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. The space feels like it is somewhat of a square and is 36 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.7 meters. Here to begin with, I'm going to show you the kitchen, as it is the closest space that I am stood to. It is an open plan kitchen, and as you can see it features a central island. The central island has a breakfast bar on one side to dine to, but also within it you have it integrated with the sink, your dishwasher, as well as cabinetry for storage and really nice countertops. With the finishes of the kitchen you can go for different palettes should you wish. The kitchen continues to the other side where you have more countertop space. You also have your electric hob and your extractor integrated, your microwave and your oven, and then to this side the refrigerator and your freezer. Your electrical appliances are also included within the price of the property. Coming over to this side, it shows you where you can have your dining space. This is a nice dining table area, and it is currently set to dine 4. Next to it, you also have your air conditioning system, as the homes do have the pre-installation of air conditioning. It leads seamlessly to the living area, which is really cosy, and you have large patio doors here that overlook your outdoor living spaces. So coming out, you have full integration of your outdoor living terrace, and what's really nice is it's to the rear of the property as well, so you have that privacy. It gives you an open terrace that's roofed, perfect for dining outside should you want to, but I think probably better for lounging. And then you have here a sunbathing area overlooking the swimming pool. Your swimming pool is rectangular. In total, it's 10 square meters. You have stairs on one side that lead down, and you also have a deeper end on the other side. So I'm going to take you back inside to show you the rest of the living areas of the interior. Taking you along the hall, I'm now going to show you the first bedroom. This bedroom is light and bright with a nice interior design. You can see that they've installed there above in the ceiling your fan, which is really nice because the home also does come with the hot and cold air conditioning. You have there also patio doors that lead to a lovely balcony, and you also have on the other wall your integrated wardrobes. In the middle there is the main bathroom, which is fully equipped and has a similar interior feel. And then next to that, you then have the second bedroom. Both of these bedrooms are 12 square meters, and on the second bedroom it's similar to the first. You have your patio doors, which this time lead to your rear terraces, and you also have your integrated wardrobes. Coming back into the living space, I'm going to go across the way and show you where the primary is. As it's single story, I do like the way that they have used the space to facilitate the 3 bedrooms. Coming into the primary is 16 square meters. It again has been installed with your ceiling fan as well as your air conditioning. You have a large window as well on one side that give you views of the surrounding landscape and of your swimming pool. And then you have a nice open entry to what is the ensuite bathroom, which is fully equipped. What I really like is that they've taken advantage as you enter the room to fit it with your integrated wardrobes, giving you a little dressing nook. The swimming pool is out here, is actually 5 by 2. So I'm going to show you the other entrance as well to the property. And this is a pedestrian entrance that gives you an entry point from the rear. What I like about it as well is it comes onto a public pathway and it enables you a space to come in from that isn't off the main street at the front. Taking you up the stairs to the solarium. This provides the family with additional outdoor living space to enjoy all year round, as after all we do get wonderful Mediterranean climate. It provides over 82 square meters of additional living space. The developer has actually decided to show how they can actually adapt the solarium to different types of taste. After all, in the centre of Mediterranean life is eating outdoors, and so they've equipped it here with what would be an outdoor kitchen, complete with cabinetry, a kitchen sink, and even a bar, which I think is a fantastic idea. But let's say, for example, you wanted even more space over here. You've got yourself a dining area, a place that you can also dedicate to eating with your loved ones, your nearest and your dearest. And then, let's say, for example, you wanted to do some sun lounging, you could. But let's say if you didn't want to even sun lounge, you have the option of potentially having a jacuzzi here, and for the convenience of those who are upstairs, you have an outdoor shower. This is the beach here in Santiago de la Riviera. It is a beautiful, very peaceful and sandy beach. As you can see behind me, this is how busy it can get right here in the month of June. And yes, it does get a little bit busy over the summer season, but it does maintain its very tranquil and very peaceful vibe. Along here you will find that it has a promenade with chiringuitos, cafes and restaurants, a lot of them specialising in Mediterranean cuisine, and you also have on hand facilities and services for the family to enjoy. So come on, let's take a dip in the water. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €350 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a project, a newly built project of in total 8 semi-detached villas. The developer projects that these villas will probably be ready within the next year to 15 months. And prices actually are pretty much fixed with them at €325,900, which I think is an absolute steal. What's wonderful about these properties is their specifications, a lot of them are included, including pre-installation for solar panels, air conditioning. You also have electric shutters, LED lighting, private parking, and, well, an alarm system and an intercom. All of the other details, no doubt, you will find in the listing description on our website. What's more is this is actually a development that is in the process of being in a town that's going to change a little bit as time goes on. It is an authentic, beautiful Spanish village that is very close proximity to the actual coastal town of San Javier, 30 kilometers away, and the city of Murcia, 25 kilometers away. It's unique in the sense that whilst it continues its Spanish charm, it actually has fantastic transport links and even provides buses to local towns and also neighbouring beaches. The municipality of San Javier in itself is also really, really beautiful in the sense that it encompasses a number of towns, and it's also with the reach of El Mar Menor, which you get the beauty of both seas. So, if you do like this listing and you'd like to know more, then please come to our website, which is spainhomes.estate, and also don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was a pleasure to see you again, sending you lots of sunshine. We'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!